Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll be doing a different kind of art, a craft. These are fridge magnets. These are bohemian style fridge magnets which are very colorful and a mixed media kind of art. I know it's been a while since I've uploaded a video, so I thought I'll do something different in this video. To begin with, I'll be starting by doing a tassel, many tassels of different color combination. For this, I'll be using two colors. I'll be taking a strand of each color and wrapping it around my 3 fingers and make a loop. Do it as many times as you want, depending on the thickness of the tassel you want, and cut it. Next, I'll be taking a piece of yarn and make a knot, inserting it through the hole. Next, I'll be taking a piece of yarn and make a little knot in the top of the tassel so that it looks like a ball, and tie it really very tightly so that it's quite secure. And now at the bottom part, I'm going to cut all the loops and make fringes. To even it out, I'm just trimming the edge of the tassel to make it all even, so they look more fluffy and bouncy. So this is how it looks like right now. Now this tassel is ready. I have made a few tassels in different color combinations. Now moving to the next part, I'll be taking a wooden disc and paint it with white as a base coat, because whatever color we apply later on white will be more vibrant and more brighter. For this wooden disc, I decided to make it a very light baby pink, which is my favorite color. I'll also be painting the backside of the disc and the outer edges. I just write a short note in the middle of the disc, or you can even write names of people to whom you're gifting it, or even just leave it blank. Now I'm painting some flowers and climbers, which looks like a wreath around the note. It looks really pretty with flowers. You can also do some kind of scenery or geometrical shapes depending on your ideas. You can also do scenery, something like this. Now it's my favorite part, using the beads. I'll be doing tiny danglers of different sizes. I'll be doing 3 for each magnet. I'll also be using the tassels along with the beads, and later on I'll stick these danglers behind my wooden disc. Some ideas using beads and tassel danglers are you can also make keychains for your home, for your vehicle, and it's a good project for kids as well. Now I'm securing the last bead with the thread. I'm making a loop twice around it. So now coming to the second tassel, it's the same way as I did the first one. Now I'm using some fabric glue to stick some of the embellishments, some of the rhinestones. It's completely optional. If you want, you can skip that too. Now I'll use a quick glue to stick the magnet behind the wooden disc. Now this is the end results. I have made 3 of them, which I'll be gifting it to my mom. This is how it looks like.